Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Interactive Brokers. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Interactive Brokers website. Once there, look for the Login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it, and then select Client Portal Login from the options that appear. This will take you to the main login page. On the login screen, you will need to enter your unique username and password into the designated fields. Interactive Brokers uses a secure login system with two-factor authentication for enhanced security. This means you'll typically need to provide a second verification, often a code from your mobile device or a physical security device. After successfully completing both steps, click the Login button to proceed to your account. For mobile access, simply open the IBKR mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. You will then enter your username and password. The app often integrates IB key authentication, which provides a convenient and secure two-factor authentication method, sometimes using a PIN code or fingerprint. This allows you to securely access your account and manage your investments on the go. If you encounter login issues, first confirm your internet connection is stable. If you forget your password or have problems with your security device, it's best to contact Interactive Brokers Client Services by telephone, as they require identity verification for security-related requests. Always enable two-factor authentication, like IBKR Mobile Authentication, for the highest level of account security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.